That's the only thing you need to do. Okay, next part. Which expression are equivalent to 9/10? Okay. Okay, letter A. 3 plus 3, 6, 10. Nope. I 4 plus 5, 9/10. Okay, this one is correct. 4, 3, and 2, 7 and 2, 9/10. Okay, correct. 5, 4, 9, 10 over 10 equals to 1 whole. This is wrong. 7, so 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10 over 10 again. 1 whole. Bye. That's it. That's the only you need to do. Sumar y restar. Solamente sumar. That's the only thing you need to do is add. Okay, this part is rounding. Redondear. Okay, we have to analyze the sentence. What is the value of this number when you round it to the nearest thousand? Okay, let's be clear. There is multiple numbers. First, I will make this number bigger to explain the values. Okay, 6, 3, and 2. Okay, this one is ones. This one is tens. Hundreds. This one is thousands. This one, I'm gonna put it here, 10,000s. I'm gonna put the thousands. Y luego I'm gonna put it here. It's 100,000. So this one is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. I'm gonna erase this. Lo voy a borrar todo. Okay. I'm gonna erase everything. Bye. Okay. Next part. Okay. Next part. I'm gonna erase everything. Okay. That's it. That's enough. I want to make this number bigger. 4, 7, 8, 6, 3, and 2. A ver. They asking you to round to the nearest thousand. What I told you, this is ones, tens, 100,000. So I'm gonna underline this one. Voy a subrayar este. Okay, the number 8. We need to modify this one. El 8. So what we need to do to modify this one, we need to go and check the right number to the right. El número a la derecha. Okay. When you're rounding 0 through 4, se va para abajo, is going down. 0 through 5 is going up. Okay. I'm gonna explain one by one. Okay. No, me confundí. Okay, I'm gonna explain this one. What is the value of 478,000 and 632? So we have to analyze this. They ask you to rounding. First, we have to analyze the numbers. 4, 7, 8, 6, 3, and 2. Okay, in every part of the world, the numbers has a value. Like our money or whatever you're using, like to pay. So this one is called ones. Los unos. $1, $2, $3, $4. Ahora, this one is in tens. Y luego, this one is in hundreds. Cienes. And this one is in thousands. Y este es en 10, put a th, is 10 thousands. Es lo mismo que este. Son 10 miles o 10,000. Este is the same, is 100, this one, th, thousands. So, cada uno, every single one of them has a different value. And this one is asking you, rounded to the nearest thousand. So, if they asking you for the thousand, you have to underline this one. I'm gonna use a different color. I'm gonna use red. I'm gonna underline this one. So, the 8. A ver, to modify the 8, you have to check this one. De la derecha. A ver, 0 through 4 is going down. A ver, and 5 through 9 going up. O sea, del 0 al 4 va para abajo y del 5 al 9 va para arriba. Ok. Now, 6 o 6 entra en esta categoría. So, these numbers se hacen ceros, se hacen turning in zeros. 0, 0. Ok, now. This one, como is going up, turning into 10 basically. Se hace 10. I'm gonna put a 1 in here. So, now the equation will be, instead of 8, will be 9. Let me erase this. Will be 9. And will be 0, 0, 0. Es el 1000 más cercano. Se hace uno para arriba. So basically go up on one level. It's like becoming 10. The 8 se hace 10. Like 8 become 10. Y se suma. So, because of this, is going up. This 6 is going up. Se hace 10 y that one affect this. Y estos se hacen 0, 0. That's it. So, this is the answer. This one is very complicated because you need to understand like everything in the process. Okay, look. This is telling you, Joanna walk each day. So, for 5 days. O sea, ella caminó 5 días. And we need to record how far she walked. Necesitamos básicamente escribir cuántos días, qué tan lejos llegó en esos días. Dice, the total of distance that she walked in 5 days is 4 miles. A ver, dice que tenemos que básicamente saber cuánto, basically to know how many she walked per day. A ver, this is a drop down menu. Add a next like to the number line that show how many miles Jonah could have walked each day. So each X is 1 day. A ver, remember we have 5 days. We can only use 5 times. 5 times. Solamente 5. Alright. Basically, we need to make, this is fractions. We need to hit like put an X in each day, put it in here. For example, I'm gonna put an X in here. So we have 1 whole. We need to hit 4 miles. Okay, remember we have to hit 4 miles. Ahora, now we already used 1X, so me quedan 4. So I'm gonna use another X in here, another 1 whole. I'm missing 2 holes. Ahora I'm gonna use another X in here, plus 1 again. Now I'm behind. I'm 1 hole behind. Estamos afuera en 1 hole. Now, if I put another hole in here, ya completamos. We hit like the 4 holes. Pero remember, we have to do 5 days. O sea que no puedo. We need to find another way. 1, 1, and 1. we need to use, I already used 3 in this, I'm using already 3 x's. So I need to find 2 more extra steps for the 5 days. Necesito encontrar otros 2 que podría hacer, basically to find the other two days. Or another way. A ver. Now, a ver, we can hit this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Vamos a saber. I'm gonna put an expression here. 1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3. Bien. Plus 1, 4 and 3 fours. 1, 4 plus 3, 4. Remember, nos tiene que dar 4, 4. Okay. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Plus 4 over 4. Okay, 4. Este funciona. Correct. Okay. Now, there is another way too. Hay más maneras. Okay. We're gonna use x, x, x. Y podemos poner 2 fours and 2 fours. Y te va a dar 1 whole. 3 plus 2 fours plus 2 fours plus 4 fours equals to 1. 3 plus 1 ya te da 4. Entonces podemos hacer this one, and we can use one of these and one of these. We have multiple ways. Solamente con que uses 5 días ya te va a dar la respuesta. No puedes usar menos, no puedes usar más. Son las 5 veces nomás. Y tiene que sumar. Por eso no puedo usar más días. O sea, fácilmente lo completo así. Pero no, tiene que ser en 5 días. Juntar 4 millas. And that's it. Okay, this one is easy. We need to find an equivalent fraction for 4/5. A ver, the first one. 4/5 plus 3, 3. And we know 3, 3 equals to 1, so will be 1 and 4/5. Nope, no es equivalente. Bye. Okay, now this one. Okay, guys, when you see a multiplication like this, cuando ven una multiplicación así, is multiplied by 2. 4 times 2 and 5 times 2. I'm gonna put a line. A ver. 4 times 2, 8. 10. Is not the same as 4/5. No es lo mismo. Si lo multiplicas por 2, es lo mismo. So, this one. This one. 4/5 and 1/5, pues se hace 1 whole. And now this one. 4 times 1 and 5 times 4. 420. ¿Y es lo mismo? Si los comparamos, a ver. 420 equals to 4/5. Vamos a ver si es cierto. A ver, at what point they meet? At 5 times 4. Y este se queda igual. So 20, okay. 4 times 4. 16, 20. Y este se queda igual. ¿Son iguales? No. Entonces es esta. Okay, that's it. Okay, this one is like a multi-step problem. Some use rounding to the nearest thousand. Okay, I'm gonna put the number in here in like big. I got confused. 70 and 5. Okay, look, this is 2-step problem. First, we have to rounding to find the value that is close to the product of 4,975 and 6. Remember, when you read the for product, is multiplication. El producto de is the result of the multiplication. Product is the result of the multiplication. O sea, producto. ¿Cuál es el producto de la multiplicación? Es el resultado de la multiplicación. First, we have to round this number. Dice to the nearest thousand. So, 1,000, remember this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000. So, we have to round this one. Remember, 0 through 4 go down. 5 through 9 go up. A ver, 9, 0 through 9 go up. This one turning into 10, 0, 0. Y este one se va acá arriba. This one turn on 0, 0, 0. This is 1, so 5,000. Now you have to multiply 5,000 by 6. 6 times 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 30, 30,000. That's it. Nos pidió hacer dos pasos, redondear y multiplicar. Okay. First, I'm gonna record you basically what you need to do. 110 equals to 0.1. 1 over 100 equals to 0.01. It's like a 10 backwards. 10 al revés. Este es 100 al revés. 100 backwards. So 100 equals to 101. Now we have to check the number line. 6 or 10. So 2 over 100. 0.02 is like a 200 backwards. And 3, lo mismo, the same thing. A ver, luego 4, 0.04, 5, 0.05, and we have to get 6 over, because 2, 0.06. Okay, it's like a 600. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 es este. And you have to click here. You have to make the plot. So select the place. Aquí mero. Okay, next question. Okay, this one, we need to complete the fraction equation. A ver, we need to look for this one. It has to be this result. Okay, right now we are working with hundreds. We need to turn in this one into hundreds. 6. So, which number multiplied by 10 can give you 100? 10, 6, 10 times 10 equals 100. If you multiply by 10 here, you have to do the same thing for this, the top number. 6 times 10, 60, 100. Okay, this one is 60 over 100. So, we have 60 already, we need 7. 7 over 100, and now we can complete 67. Solo es convertir. Okay, next part. Okay, this is very easy. It's just basically carrying the number. Okay. 0 plus 4, 4. 3 plus 4, 7. 1 plus 8, 9. Okay, now which number added by 8 can give you basically 5? Now, 8. 8 plus, vamos a hacer one by one. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 2, 10. 8 plus 3, 11. 8 plus 4, 12. 8 plus 5, 13. 8 plus 6, 14. 8 plus 7, 15. A ver, aquí ya tenemos 5, 15. Now, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1. So will be, in here will be 7. You have to carry the 1 now. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13. Plus 1 in here. 1 plus 5, 6. Plus 2, 8. Entonces es 7. There is 7. So, they don't show you the carry numbers to confuse you. Este te va a confundir. Por eso tienes que hacer la suma tú solo y ver qué número te da 5. Because cuando estás haciendo addition, you can subtract. No puedes restar, solamente sumar. Por eso busqué este. That's why I find 7 using the addition to see which one can give me 5. So 7. Okay, this one is easy. Okay, this is a comparison. O sea, tenemos que comparar which one is big. This one is telling you 1/2 has to be bigger. Este tiene que ser más grande. A ver, we need to type whatever we can. A ver, we have to make this expression true, hacer la verdadera, que este sea más grande siempre. This one has to be bigger always. A ver, para 8 and 1/2. Ahí está. So, let's see. Let's type a number here. Let's put a 1. Okay, 1. 1/8 is less than 1/2. A ver. This is true. Let's see. Okay, let's compare these numbers. So at what point they meet? 2 times 4 equals 8. And this one is 8 times 1, 8. Se conocen el 8 de mira, digan por 8, 8. We have to check this one. 1 times 4, 4 eighths. Y es lo mismo que 1/2, la mitad de 2 es 1, la mitad de 8 es 4. So, this one stays the same. So 1 times 1, 1 eighth. Entonces, 1 puede ser. A ver, ¿hay más? Let's see if there's more. A ver. Let me erase everything. Okay. This is telling you 1/2 has to be the biggest. Okay, 8. Vamos a hacer type el 2 aquí. 2. Okay, this one at what point they meet? 2 times 4, 8. Vamos a poner 8 aquí. Y esta pues stay the same. So it's 8 times 1, 8. Al 8 se conocen. Al 8 encontramos un match. Ahora, what is the next step? A ver, vamos a multiply. Let's multiply everything by 1. Stay the same. 2 8. Y este 1 times 4. 4 8 otra vez porque pues es la misma. Siempre van a ser estas dos. Ok, now 2 8 is less than 4. El 2 puede ir. A ver, vamos a buscar las otras. Let's find the other ones. A ver, 8. A ver, el 3. A ver si puede ir el 3. Okay, let's do times tables. At what point they meet? 2 times 4, pues 8. Y este 8 times 1, 8. Vamos a poner 8 denominador. Y lo vamos a poner 8 denominador. Pues este va a ser 4, 8 como ya sabemos. Like what we know is 4 8s. Now, 3 times 1, 3. Okay, 3 is less than 4. Esta puede ir. Okay, let's put 4 8s. Let's put 4 8s. A ver. 4 8s. A ver. Remember, este has to be bigger. Because the equation is telling you it has to be bigger. A ver. Now. We know it's 4 8s already. Este one will stay the same. 4 8s and 4 8s. No, they are even. Entonces, no. Only can be 1 through 3 can be the correct answer. Solamente el 1 al 3 puede ser la respuesta correcta. That's it. Okay, now. This is telling you, Carter was at the park for 15 minutes. Carter estuvo en el parque 15 minutos. Jada spent 3 times as many minutes at park as Carter. So, ella gastó 3 veces de más de tiempo. So, create a multiplication equation that shows the numbers Jada was at the park. Pues we know Carter estuvo 15 minutes. And she was 3 times more. A ver. 15, 30, 45. Pues 15 times 1, 15 times 2, 30, 15 times 3, 45. Entonces, how we can create the multiplication equation? So it will be 15 times 3 equals to 45. You have to type the answer and the multiplication equation. Or can be 3 times 15 equals to 45. Or can be 45 equals to 15 times 3. Or 45 equals to 3 times 15. Con que des 45, if you get 45, 45, 45, you have to put the complete equation. Yeah, that's it. That's all the guide. Next week gonna upload more videos.